So when Puracy says that they are an everyday surface cleaner, they are absolutely just telling you like it is. This is a 99.3% plant and mineral based product. I love the smell. It's green tea and lime. It is also PETA approved, which I really appreciate because I do have animals, and it's vegan and global animal test policy. It's past that. This is something I'm super excited about, having one product that is got none of the chemicals that you really don't necessarily want in your house. You can use this on so many surfaces in your house. Everything in your kitchen, pretty much everything in your bathroom. We're talking wood floors, we're talking tile, we're talking painted surfaces like, say, your wall. You literally can use it on toys, electronics, you can use it on jewelry. You name it, this pretty much will clean it. It also removes so many different types of things. When we remove food, soda, grease, pet accidents, lipstick, tree sap, grime, adhesive, soap scum. I tell you, it will take off any of the stuff that you think, ugh, I got to go clean that. I got to find something that's going to work for it. I am thrilled to have found this, and I just wanted to share that with you.